I like my men like I like my drinks. Stiff.
And dry.
Welcome, everybody. My name is Miles Slade. I'm joined this week by my good friend and good friend of the show, Rory Small. Do you want to introduce yourself a little bit?
I'm a long-time listener, first-time baller. I love PLN. I love helping the needy. And yeah, let's get drunk.
Okay. So what we wanted to do was help you silly little boys and girls make some drinks. So
Yes.
we are professionals in that we have a mother's
instinct.
We have a mother's instinct, a mother's intuition. A mother always knows.
Okay, let's start with mixers because they're kind of zesty and I'm excited about them.
Schweppes Cranberry Lime Seltzer, also known as Schweppes or Schweppes. I heard a rumor about how seltzer isn't hydrating, and that seems...
That's a rumor.
That's a rumor.
It's not a trumor. But if you let it fester, it might
It'll be a
become
tumor. Ah! Snapple Peach Tea.
All natural.
Honey, it's made from the best stuff on earth. I didn't piss in this.
But you wish you did.
Last on the mixers, we have Gatorade Thirst Quencher, Cool Blue. I like this one because it has electrolytes. So Quinn, what's the first drink we'll be making?
I'm just gonna give you a name and you're gonna put drinks to that name.
Okay.
Right? The first one we're gonna be making is called a Silly Thatcher.
Come again?
A silly Thatcher, like Margaret?
Like Margaret.
Maggie.
Like the controversial British leader.
Gross one.
Could be gross.
It's gonna be bad.
Some people really like her.
Okay.
I mean, this is
Whiskey.
This is vodka,
New
which is
Amsterdam.
Irish, which is potatoes, which is closest to the UK. Did Margaret Thatcher like Ireland?
I don't know of any doctrine of democracy which says the will of the minority must prevail over the will of the majority.
I think she hated Ireland, so we probably shouldn't touch
might
the...
be ironic,
We shouldn't
though.
touch the vodka.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm thinking the orange Amsterdam and the triple sec liqueur together. Maybe?
Oh.
Do you know what I mean? Because they're both orange.
They're both orange. Yeah. Okay.
So like really orange. Okay. You want to do Gatorade?
Yeah, wasn't Quinn's idea.
With a hint of sweet lime? No. Okay, we're getting two.
We're fine.
Wait, why are you putting seltzer in there? Why are you putting seltzer in there?
Is that how we had planned?
No! You were the one getting fancy with the spice.
Don't breathe into my eye. The Silly Thatcher. Ireland doesn't stand a chance.
That's a good one. It's drinking time.
It's drinking
Ready?
time. Okay.
Cheers, my dears. Oh wait.
What? Oh.
Bottoms up. It's silly
Yeah.
in that it's like not a good one. I want another sip. It kind of tastes just like straight sugar.
It's like Gatorade and simple syrup, and like that's kind of all it tastes like.
Your next drink is My Body Found in Jersey.
Ooh.
My body found in Jersey.
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
Well, Rory's murdered someone in New Jersey.
Okay, so Jersey. Immediately, I think the trashiest liquor.
My body was
in
found in
Canada.
Jersey. I already forgot. I think Snapple has the most body.
This is the body. A little smell test. Smells like my dad's breath when I was a kid.
See.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, let's start with the Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey.
Next up is Snapple Peach Tea.
Oh, this is gonna be good. I can already feel it in my bone. Vermouth splash! Splash zone!
Splish and splash.
I was taking a bath. Okay, now that they're all mixed.
My body found in Jersey.
My body found in Jersey.
That's bad.
Your next drink is Y2K Cyber Slam.
Oh, yum.
I've heard of that one.
I'm already intrigued and inspired.
Cybe check. When you're connecting to the Wi-Fi, cybe check.
I want it dead.
Me?
Yes, it.
Thank you for using my pronouns. I think we're gonna go for some of the lime the key lime pie juice. So where do you get this? Oh, you can find this
At the hub. At the hub.
at the hub.
I say we put the blue Gatorade in this.
Okay.
What gets more cyber than that? Splash of triple sec. Aren't you glad I didn't say Prilosec?
Okay, now this is called the fucking shit my ass cyberspace epidemic. Okay, we'll just drink them on our own this time. I know.
Y2K Cyber Slam brought to you by Miles's Butthole.
That's awesome.
That's actually really good. Literally, the conclusion of the video is get a cheap vodka and get a thing of Gatorade and just, you know, fuck your mom.
Hey!
Why?
Why? Why? Okay, anyway.
Did that hit too close to home?
Audience, PLN audience, audience at large. It's been a pleasure serving you, drinks.
Serving you drinks, bartending the house down boots.
Sorry that you don't know how to make drinks, at least you do now.
Yeah, we taught you something. This is a tutorial on how to get fucked up with what you have. And we're doing that.